Here's how you can use Character.AI to write a full screenplay. If you want to use an AI software in order to create a full-on screenplay, here's how you can use Character.AI for it. First of all, go onto your Google browser, or it can be any browser that you're using, and search for Character.AI. Now from the links you get, click on the first link that would say Character.AI. You'll be directed to the official Character.AI app. Make sure to log in or sign up with an account. You can easily log in or sign up with your Google account too. Now that you're on the main page, you'll see from the top left corner, if you click on create and then create a character, you can create your own AI character. Just give it a name, a tagline, a description if you want, greeting, or you can also allow dynamic greeting, and also you can add up tags. In order to create a screenplay through Character.AI, you really don't need to create your own character. If you want to, go ahead, but if you don't want to, you can use all the other options in the Discover page. These are characters that has been made by other people. You can just use it for your advantage. Select any character that you want. They will have a little description, so you can select from each one. Now you'll be on a chat page. Just like any other AI like ChatGPT or DeepSeek, just prompt it to create a screenplay for you. You can add in any details that you want regarding to your screenplay. I'm just gonna give it a basic prompt. And as you can see, it has created a screenplay for me. You can just tell the character however many words you want in your screenplay or whatever other details you want. That is how, using Character.AI, you can easily generate screenplay for you. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. If you find this helpful and want to see more like this, make sure to subscribe and like this video.